Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate a PS4 account from another PS4. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then head on over to PlayStation.com. Once you are now on the website, scroll down this time, and then in here, zoom in and then select country or region. And then in here, you will need to choose your country or region once again. Select a region this time. Now click on your profile on the upper right. And then in here, select Account Settings. On Account Settings, scroll down and then select Device Management. In here, select which device you want to manage and then select Activate. And then a code should be displayed. Input the code this time. If not, you can also head on over to PlayStation consoles. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.